Imagine asking an AI for advice and receiving a polished, logical answer that sounds absolutely convincing. But what if that answer is completely wrong? That's the risk we face today. AI rarely admits uncertainty. It delivers responses with confidence, even when the facts are off. Millions trust these answers because they look professional, but this blind trust can lead to costly mistakes. The real skill for the future isn't just writing better prompts, it's knowing when not to trust the answer. In this video, I'll share the exact system I use to audit AI responses before relying on them for business, research, or strategy. By the end, you'll have a simple framework to catch AI mistakes before they become your mistakes. Let's dive in and learn how to turn skepticism into a superpower. To understand why AI sometimes gets things wrong, let's look at how it works. Most AI models are designed to predict language, not verify facts. Imagine someone finishing your sentences, they're making educated guesses, not necessarily stating truths. AI does this at scale, generating answers that are often useful, sometimes remarkably accurate, and occasionally confidently wrong. Hallucinations happen when information is ambiguous, topics are highly specialized, or the AI lacks reliable data. A polished answer isn't proof, verification is what creates real confidence. That's why professionals don't just ask if AI is smart, they ask how to verify what AI tells them. This mindset is what separates an AI user from an AI critical thinker, and it's the foundation for auditing AI responses. Now let's introduce the triple check framework, a repeatable system for auditing AI responses. Every important answer goes through three checks: source triangulation, adversarial testing, and first principles deconstruction. First, source triangulation means you never stop at the answer. You ask for reasoning, evidence, and alternative sources. Second, adversarial testing challenges the AI to argue against its own answer, exposing weak assumptions and overlooked perspectives. Third, first principles deconstruction breaks complex answers into individual claims, separating facts from opinions and verifying each one independently. This process transforms one large problem into manageable verification tasks, making your thinking stronger and your decisions safer. Let's see how each step works in practice. Let's put the triple check framework into action with a real example. Suppose you ask AI, what are the three biggest reasons startups fail? The AI responds with a polished answer. First, apply source triangulation. Ask which research supports these claims. You might notice a statistic isn't sourced. Second, use adversarial testing. Prompt the AI to argue against its explanation. It may introduce economic conditions or regulations that were missing before. Third, break down each statement with first principles deconstruction. You'll discover if any claims are oversimplifications or need more evidence. The final answer becomes more accurate not because the AI changed, but because your process improved. Auditing AI responses transforms them from risky guesses into reliable insights. Auditing AI responses might feel slow at first, but it actually saves time in the long run. Publishing incorrect information, making poor decisions, or repeating avoidable mistakes can cost weeks of rework. 5 extra minutes of verification can prevent expensive problems. Professionals understand that speed without accuracy is risky. Always audit AI when accuracy matters. Business strategy, financial decisions, legal or medical information, academic research, statistics, technical documentation, investment decisions, and client recommendations. For brainstorming, light auditing is enough, but for decisions, deep auditing is essential. As AI literacy evolves, the next competitive advantage will be asking better follow-up questions, not just better prompts. That's how trust is built and how you become a better thinker with AI.